Okay, moving it back. Took the web all together, just stringed it up. That whole web that was all there, just pulled it all back together. Now it's going right back up to where it was earlier. Keeps moving. Not sure what's going to happen. Just kind of hanging there. That was wild. The whole string. Back down. All the way over there. This guy is just hanging there. Biggy's checking him out. He's not sure about him yet. You gonna play with him? You're not sure about them, are you? He's not dead. Oh! Maybe he's just sleepy. You ever seen one of those, buddy? You gonna come down and get him? I'm still not interested. He's just